Are you ready to take your HyperX headset to a whole new level? My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm very proud to announce our wcFreeze V2 cooling gel angled earpads specifically made for HyperX headsets. Today's video, I'm going to show you the differences between the V2 cooling gel earpads and our old V1, some of the differences that we did on the angling of the pad, and how to install them. By the way, the earpads that you will see in this video today are going to fit several HyperX models. For a full list, you can either check it in the description below or you'll see it on the screen right now. So let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see on the headset itself, these are not the original cushions. This is just an early iteration of the new cushion that we just made. And let me show you some of the differences, because the early iteration is much different than the final one. So if you know our wcFreeze cushions from other headsets, or whether you've tried it for yourself for your HyperX with our older cushion, you might know our signature cooling gel on top, cooling gel on the inside, fabric on top, PU leather on the sides. So this is an early iteration of the new wcFreeze V2. We'll try to get a good look for you right here on the camera. So I don't know if you're noticing this, but first thing out the bat, the fabric is completely different. We found a new material that is already cold without any cooling gel inside, but we still keep the cooling gel. So this material is cold to the touch, even if you don't have cooling gel inside the pad. However, we still kept our signature cooling gel on the inside and cooling gel on the top. Right now, we use this fabric on top and on the inside of the cushion with our signature PU leather on the sides. Now also, if you had an HyperX headset for a while, so this is the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless, you know that HyperX don't have much swivel in them. When you don't have much swivel in your headset, you get moments where the seal on your ears is going to have slight gaps, usually on the back, sometimes on the front. It really depends on how you position the headset. But because it doesn't have a swivel, it can completely encapsulate your ears inside the pad. You'll always have a small leak here and there, not even mentioning some of the comfort issues that not having a swivel creates. So what we made in these HyperX specific earpads for our wcFreeze V2 is first of all, now you have a right and a left leathering on the inside of the pad. You probably can't see it that well because they are gray. We wanted them to be minimal, so it's not really noticeable unless you look at it and you search for it. And you must install them that way. Why? Because we have made these earpads angled. As you can see, this right here, that side of the earpad is thinner than the other side of the earpad. Why is that? When the headset sits on your head, you want to have the thicker side pointing to the back of your head. This is why I'm telling you, you have to install them according to the R and L leathering. When you have the thicker side on the back of your head, that usually solves for those little gaps of isolation for your ears being inside the earpad. So these are the differences. Brand new material, still keeping the cooling gel on top and cooling gel on the inside, but the material itself is much colder. The earpads, obviously compared to the original, are much thicker and they are angled. And this angle should now help you with perfect fit on any ears or any shape of head that you have right now. So let me just show you how to install them. If you probably have a headset like a HyperX for a while, you probably already know how. You're simply going to pull out the old earpad. And by the way, if you have a speaker cover, feel free to remove that one as well, because these already have a mesh on the back of them. Okay, so let's find out which side this is. The right side, I'm going to grab the right side cushion and install it this way. The way they install is they have a backside lip on the backside of the cushion, and there is a gap where the backside lip goes into, and I'm simply going to put it on the corner top. This is how I usually do it. hold it with one hand, then pull. Don't be afraid to pull this cushion. It's very flexible. And with your index finger, you're going to lead the backside lip into the gap. And then once you're done, give it a little back and forth shuffle so it goes in deeper. And then I'll take the other one, I'll do the same thing. So piece right here. And that is it. You have successfully replaced them, and this just so you have a perfect fit. You want to really align both seams to be the same when you're looking at it like this. You see the seam right here? That way the angle is going to be even when you put it on your head. That's it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.